Thank you for being a part of our IMLS grant and helping us get these kits out to students in grades 3 through 6. As part of this grant, we're asking that you help us collect data in regards to the circulation process. So whether you're in the classroom or if you're in the media center, the library, or maybe you're doing this as part of an organization, part of it is understanding how this is working for you and your organization. So first thing is, if you're in the library, you may decide to barcode these, which will help you also track information in regards to particularly the name of the kit and the amount of time that it's been checked out. But also, regardless of where these are housed, one of the things that we are hoping to encourage with these kids is reading. So if you decide, and this again is your choice, they're highlighted in blue here, that you would like to suggest a book, then tell us what book or books that you suggested. And then also, did the child actually check the book out? Yes or no? So that again is just sort of an information we would like to collect so that when we continue developing these kits, we have a good understanding of books that we can suggest that are accompanying with the kits. So information we would also like for you to keep up with is the name of the kit itself. And so you can see right here the 4 names of the kits. And then we're also wondering how long it's being checked out. Now you can decide how long you would like these kits to be checked out. You may want to put a time limit on it, say a week or 2 weeks. That way other children have a chance to check these out as well. One of the big things is when it's returned is all the material there or not. So in general, are all the required material returned, yes or no? If not, we would like a list of the information that's missing. And you can also find this information on the kits itself. So as you can see in the Hinges material kit, on the top of the lid, it has a list of all the material that needs to be in the kits. So if something's missing, your goal is going to have to be to replace the kit or replace the specific piece. So for example, if only one marker is returned, then you may need to replace it with one more. With the cards, you may want to check the insides of the cards because there may be only 2 playing cards, which is not going to be enough for the next child to be able to be productive with the kit itself. Another one is the watercolor bot kit. This one, some of the material you should not expect to be returned, like the Q-tips and some of the cotton balls or the rubber bands may not be returned. This is the lithium battery, and this is the vibrating motor. So those are kind of tiny, so please be sure that those are brought back as well. And then the next thing is the amount of time it actually takes you to do this whole check-in process. So as soon as you open the kit, how long does it take you to look through, see what items are missing, replace any items that are missing, and then actually organize the kit in some organized manner so that things are not just scattered throughout the kit. And then we have a column called additional notes. So if there's any additional information that you'd like to tell us, please, please, please write it in this column, additional notes. One last thing, as each kit is checked out, you need to ensure that it includes both a survey and an information sheet. When it's returned, you will need to take out any information that's in there. So we're asking families to complete a survey, and we've also have what we're calling sketchbooks, which are basically index cards for kids to draw on. So if there's any drawings when it returns, please take that out as well and staple them together. In the event that you need any additional material, survey, research information, or if you just have questions, please email us at this email address right here and we'll respond as soon as we can. Again, we thank you for taking this opportunity to help us collect data. At the end of this, we also have a few other suggestions. At the end of this, you do get to keep the kits. So one way to help keep and maintain sustainability with the kits is potentially working with your local PTO or PTA in collecting additional items. So for instance, the Q-tips and the cotton balls can be bought at Dollar Tree. So you can start collecting material to help sustain the kits once the grant is complete. Another idea is that if you work with students, maybe you can train students to help you with the check-in process, and that way it will be off of your hands. Thank you.